Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop. I'm just going to show you some quick fluid levels and where they're located. So here we have the brake master cylinder. This is the reservoir to the brake master. Right on the cover here, it tells you what type of fluid, .3, and it's a screw down type cover, so you turn it, twist it, unlock it, and you can see the fluid right in there. And on the side here is an indicator. That line right there is the proper level at the max that it should be. You never want to bring brake fluid all the way up to the top because it expands when it gets hot and warm. So you always want to leave it right at the line that it says to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.